What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to log out of your YouTube account on the YouTube mobile app. So in order to do this, you just launch your YouTube app. And then you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner of the app. And then from here, you could hit your username all the way at the top. And it's going to bring you to a screen where it has all of your accounts logged in. You're just going to go all the way to the bottom, and you should see an option that says Manage Accounts on this device. You're going to go ahead and click that. And then from here, it's going to take you to a screen where you could remove the account from the device. I have to black it out because I don't want to leak my real name out there. But you could click on the account and then you'll be able to remove it. It's going to bring up this message here. And then you'll be able to just hit remove. And the account will no longer be there and nobody can log on if they use this device again. If you have any questions or were confused by this tutorial, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.